Hello everyone, welcome to Apurva Ki Pathshala, where word comes to life. Does your child know that digraph th make two different sounds? And th. Let's have a look at the following words. Whenever th is coming at the beginning of some word, it makes sound, as in the word thunder, thumb. When it is coming at the last of some word, it again make sound, as in the word cloth, moth, sloth. Also, when it is coming before the consonant, it make sound, as in the word mouthful. Let's have a look. When does th make th sound? When it is coming in the beginning of functional words or tricky words, it make th sound, as in the word that, this and them. When th is coming between two vowels, it again make th sound, as in the word mother, brother, father. I hope this rule will help your kids. To know more such exciting phonics rule, subscribe my channel Apurva Ki Pathshala and don't forget to like my video. Thank you.